Hello children, today I will teach you EVS chapter 6, the food. Children, food is very necessary to live and we should take food regularly. We should have 3 main meals in a day. There are 3 meals in a day. One is breakfast, after that lunch, and in the last dinner. 3 types of meals are in a day. So we should take our breakfast when? In the morning. We should take our breakfast in the morning. We should take lunch at which time? In the afternoon. Afternoon means दोपहर. And dinner at night. Okay? So first of all, you have to understand which type of food, which type of meal is taken at which time. We take breakfast in the morning, we take lunch in afternoon, and we take dinner at night. Okay. So you got 3 types of meal. Now, what is the importance of food? Food क्यों जरूरी होता है? Importance of food. First, food help us to grow. Food help us to grow. It builds our body. आप अगर खाना नहीं खाओगे तो आपका शरीर कैसे ग्रो करेगा और आपकी बॉडी कैसे बनेगी? सो फूड हमें ग्रो करने के लिए, स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने के लिए जरूरी है. पहली इंपॉर्टेंस इसकी ये है. द नेक्स्ट, फूड गिव्स अस एनर्जी टू डू वर्क एंड टू प्ले. फूड हमें ताकत देता है कोई भी काम करने के लिए, खेलने कूदने के लिए. वेरियस एक्टिविटीज you do with the help of energy which comes from taking food. So food is very essential thing for you. Food protects us, and the third importance is food protect us from diseases. Diseases means bimari, and it keeps us healthy. So we should take food properly and in adequate amount and at a right time, and three meals should be there in a whole day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner at right time. Okay, it will make us healthy, and it will make us free of disease, and it will keep us strong and healthy. So we should practice good habits to stay healthy. What practice we should? One more thing I want to discuss, children. There are different types of food we take in the whole day, like milk, vegetables, pulses, fruits, etc. All type of food should be there in your meal. Okay. Now we should practice good habits to stay healthy. First, what we have to do to stay healthy? We should always eat covered food. We should always take covered food. It means आपका जो भी खाना रखा है वो खाना आपका ढका होना चाहिए. Otherwise, mosquitoes and flies will come and sit over there, and when the germs which are stick on their legs, they will sit on the food, and we will take the food inside our stomach. We will get some diseases, some infections, and we fall ill. So we should take cover food whenever you go out of the market. Whenever you go to the market, eat only that things, that foods which are covered properly covered, not opened. Okay, this is a good habit to take food. The second good habit is we should not waste food. Don't waste food. We should not waste food. You want to eat something, take a little amount which you want on your plate. Otherwise, the rest of the food will be waste. So don't take extra food. The adequate amount should be on your plate. जितना आपको खाना है आप उतना ही लीजिए. Otherwise, उसको waste मत करिए. The third good habit is we should chew the food properly. When you ingest or take food inside your mouth, chew the whole food properly, not swallow up. When you take a bite of roti or chapati or anything, chew it. Take some time for chewing this, and then you will chew. It will good for our stomach and good for our digestion. And when your digestion will good, then you will be healthy. Okay. The third good habit is chew properly. Chew the food. छोटे छोटे बाइट्स में आपको फूड च्यू करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट गुड हैबिट इज वी शुड वॉश अवर हैंड्स बिफोर एंड आफ्टर मील. ओके, एज यू नो, nowadays corona is very dangerous thing for us, very dangerous virus, and all the time you should wash your hands time to time, and you should sanitize your hands with Dettol or any other sanitizer. But the best way is to wash your hands properly time to time. It will keep you away from infection, any other of virus. Okay, so before taking meal and after taking meal you should wash your hands properly. This is good habit of food. Okay, wash your hands. Don't take food with your dirty hands. All the time teachers and your mother say, wash your hands before your meal, and after taking meal you should wash your hands. Okay, the next good habit is we should have our meals at fixed time. Okay, suppose you take your breakfast at 7 a.m. early in the morning, then daily you should take your breakfast within 7 to 8 in the morning, and lunch and dinner should be at fixed time, and this habit makes you healthy. Next good habit is we should not talk, read or watch television while eating. First, we should not talk, we should not read, we should not watch television while we taking food, because it is not good habit for our health. So when you taking food and you are talking that time, what will happen? Sometimes your food can go inside your trachea instead of your food pipe. So be careful while you taking your food. Don't talk to anybody and don't watch television, because the whole concentration will come on your television and your concentration will lose on food. So it will not a good habit while taking food. It is not good habit to watching a TV while taking food. The next good habit is we should wash the food properly before eating. Suppose you want to eat apple, then go to the tap and wash it properly under the running water. Wash it properly. What will happen? The whole virus or whole infection will wash out under the running water. Then eat it properly. Okay. So any of food before taking before eating any of food, wash it properly. The last one, we should drink boiled or filtered water. Nowadays, the tap water which is coming in our house is very dirty. There are so many dust particles, so many chemicals are mixed in that water. So we should keep safe from that dirty water. What we should do, we should boil the water, then drink it. Okay, boiled water will not keep us ill. Okay, so if you want to be a healthy person, so we should follow these good habits which I taught you, and it is also on your book, page number 30. Read all the good habits of taking food, learn it properly and follow it. First of all, when you read, then follow it. It is compulsory to follow, otherwise you will fall ill. Okay, so you will get the worksheet. You have to do that worksheet on the basis of this chapter. So read this chapter properly. Till then, bye.